What's up, guys? Good to have you again. It's always nice to have you guys. It's always nice. Mark your attendance where you're watching me from. It's always good to have you guys. Cause I know I love you. Let us see how tonight is moving. Mark your attendance where you're watching me from. It's a beautiful night. It's a beautiful day wherever we are. Mark your attendance where you're watching me from. I am trading binary options and I am on Brent oil chart. My expiration is 15 seconds. So let us get into it and see how it goes for us. Mark your attendance. Tell me how did you spend your day? How was your day basically? Or how are you spending your day? Guys, I'm in high spirits, so I know we are gonna make some good moves tonight. We are going to get some good moves, so let us see what we have here. Someone comment locked in because that's exactly what we are doing. All right, let us see how buyers are moving. All right, first trade is there. Trevor, good to see you. Says Mark, Messiah, AR, Tiber, Real Six. Oh my, I see someone from Dallas, Florida. Tell me, AR, yesterday you told me the weather wasn't good. Did it get better? Did it get better for you? My friends keep talking way too much. I won a few trades. That's how we do it. Tell me, what were you trading, Messiah? What were you trading? For now, I see ya. Real Six, Doctor. Do you always enter when the candle starts? Oh, actually, guys, in trading, it is always best to enter when the candle has closed. Yeah, it's always best to enter on that move. It is the easiest way you can trade. You wait for a candle to close, then you enter when it is just immediately closing, because you never know where the candle could be opening and it switches. I mean, it could open as buys, then it closes in sales. So it is always better to wait for candle closure, then you get in. All right, let me see you guys in the comments. All right, you are trading on pocket options. I mean, that's it, guys. I'm also trading with Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description. So let's move. Yeah, got me moving side to side. Hola, we them boys. No, Alex Smith, I do not speak Spanish. The only Spanish words I know is hola, with them boys. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you everything. Keep talking way too much. So let's move. Yeah, guys, the only Spanish I speak is hola hola with them boys. Guys, you can see here structure is so bullish. That's why we are really executing all these buys. And like I always tell you guys, if you really get an opportunity and you see it is you have got some good confirmation, please capitalize on that move. You capitalize on that move because sometimes those moves do not happen frequently. So when you get a move, capitalize on it. What do you mean it's not Spanish? Hola, 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 hola is Spanish. Yeah, actually, the guy, I see you. I did compound from 20 to 40 to 70 and I stayed there. That is nice. Messiah, that's nice. That is nice. That is nice. Actually, like I always said, you guys, you're supposed to trade according to your account size. If you started from 20 and went to 40, then to 70, actually, that is some good move. That is some good move, and you should keep doing that. Damn. We get taken out. We get taken out. We are taking some pullback trades there. So let us try again and see how it goes. Festus, good to see you. Mefa, good to see you guys. Good to see you all, guys. Good to have you all. Oh my God! Again, we get taken out. So let us do it again because you can see sellers are clearly present in around here. So let us see how it goes. Alex is from Venezuela. That is nice. Raphael, good to have you. Someone is asking, Ivy, how did your parents allow you to trade? Keep strange. Okay, I'm insane. But you the same. Guys, by the time I started trading, I was actually staying alone. And you know, when you're staying alone, bills have to be paid. So I had no one to stop me. It was me against the market because I wanted to make money. I needed bills to be paid. Am I out of my mind? Yeah, that's true, guys. Really, bills get tough. That's why we always look for ways of making money. And that's how I discovered trading because I was unemployed and I had bills on me. What can I say? Actually, guys, when because I remember I was just saved, I had saved up some money. So that time I was still living on my savings I had saved up. But it's not like really when I got into trading, I was seriously employed. I wasn't employed. And that form of being unemployed, you know, when you're unemployed, you really be frustrated. That's a fact. So that frustration, it's what that led me to trading. And I knew it had to work out for me. It had to work out for me because bills had to be paid. I had to prove to myself, you know, always in my personal goals I have for a year, the first goal I put, this is not trading goals, these are just personal goals. The first goal I always put in my, when you know, like new year, new resolutions, it is to shock myself. Yeah, you have to always shock yourself. If you don't have that goal of shocking yourself, you always find yourself living a life of average people, and you have to be different. You don't have to be average. You have to be premium. What are you talking about? So shocking yourself has to be part of your goals. And by shocking, I mean you go above and beyond your expectations. All right, all right, all right. Someone comment locked in. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Right. Right. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Rod, good to see you. Guys, please don't strive to be average. Strive to be more than average. That's how actually you start seeing results in your life. If you really on a goal to shock yourself, you'll never find yourself playing games of average people. That's why we have to be locked in every now and then, because if you don't lock in, guys, you don't see the results. So tell me, how did you spend your day today? All right, someone is asking, how do you manage to balance life with trading? By the way, guys, now this is like from my own personal experience, not as a trader. Please stop living life as if you have very many options. Yeah, because if you give yourself very many options in life, you're really not going to lock in. You're supposed to lock in. For example, me personally, I just decided that I'm going to be a trader and I just focused on that. Sometimes I would get opportunities that really would really drive me away from trading, but I would think of my personal goal as should be a trader and I would stick to that. So I would reject, even now I can reject it if it's not really, it's going to affect my trading. So if you really don't have so many options in life, you're really going to focus on one thing and it will work out. Server, VIP, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Good to have you guys. Marvelous. I see ya. The chat I'm using, my candlesticks are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple, pure price action. All right, let us see how this goes for us. Buyers are really coming in big here. Yeah, let us open more buys and see how it goes. Oh my God, you get taken out by that move. Oh my. Okay, let us try to catch on this pullback. Let us try to catch on this pullback. Yeah. Never turn. Oh my God, we get taken out, guys. Okay, let us see. This is going to be now a deeper one. I think we got in early. We got in early for our first entries for the pullback. I want you, Nana. Jason Gomez, good to see you. Arjun from India. I see ya. I see ya. The Flam Beats, good to see you. Ah, ah, ah. Sirvan, I see ya. I see ya. Yeah, guys, we are about to lock in, and this is our trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. So let us get into it. Oh, we not going to the one and go. City vibe. Il est Timon, il est Bishu. I am using Keltina channel indicator, guys, with its default settings. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Yeah, that's what I'm using, and I'm using it with its default settings. Can you trade without an indicator? Of course I can, because I do not only base my entries on the indicator, guys. My strategy is pure price action that I back up with the indicator. I can trade without an indicator. I'm not just a trader that only bases on the indicator. Guys, tell me, which one do you prefer, trading with the indicator or just looking at clean charts? Sidiva Kalaku Iletimo. All right, Lucky Singh, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. One stop, Jaja, eh. Indicator plus candle movement. I mean, I feel like that is the best way, but that's only from my own experience as a trader. Trading with you have to really get price action. Like I always tell you guys, I feel like pure price action is a strategy that works well, especially if you're trading binary options, because it is very much applicable even on on lower time frames. You can really apply it. And guys, the key point in trading is to keep things simple. It's to keep things very, very simple. Khalid, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Yeah, in a few minutes, I'm going to get into my strategy, guys. I'm going to get into my strategy. Yeah, so let us just wait and see. Olex is a little short-sighted. You bring to my mind, say. I like your curly hair, your physique, baby. You're unique, baby. You're so relief, baby. Never perform. Everything no matter fast, and you got it all. Yeah, I'm gonna get into my strategy in a few minutes, guys. Let us first catch up. Tell me, guys, how did you spend your trading day? Did you look at your charts? Consistency is key really in trading because that's how you build your trading discipline and skill. You my baby girl. I never wanna lose you, baby, never. To the African girl, you will play well. You deserve it. When I'm with you, my dear, the brightest. When I'm with you, my girl, sugar, sugar, you look so fine. Pretty face and your hips don't lie. Never conform, I swear you got it all. Back up for me. Cause I can get you wet, I say, Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. All right, guys, this is a reminder whenever we are on the stream, you cannot really copy my trade because of YouTube time lag. So the best thing you can do, it is to learn, and you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Yeah, there is a time lag because of the there is a time lag. You can only just it's always best to watch and learn. Guys, trading it's a skill. You do not have trading is a skill. You just have to give yourself time and build it over time. That's why I'm always reminding you guys, consistency is the only way you're going to build that skill. It's the only way you're going to build that skill. So give yourself time to learn. Explain how you use the Keltina. All right. You don't know. It was crazy there. All right, guys, whenever I'm using the indicator, of course, whenever I'm trading, I do not base my entries only on the indicator, but if I'm using the indicator, I just look out for breakouts. If we get a breakout to the downside, I'm going to anticipate selling momentum or sellers in the market, but I do not just jump into sales immediately. I back it up with my trading strategy, which is pure price action. And in that case, I'm going to wait for structure to either shift bearish or to look at a candlestick pattern formed in the zone, and I'll start concluding that sellers are in the market and I can start taking on sell trades. And for buys, if I get a breakout to the upside, I'm going to start anticipating buyers in the market, but to back it up with my strategy, I'm going to be looking out for either market structure shifting bearish or a candlestick pattern formed in the zone, and it is showing that buyers are really getting into the market. That's how I use the indicator guys, with my strategy. Speaks to me, did to me, speaks to me. So let me hope I've answered you, Rod. Okay, I'm seeing Hawk. Oh, like now, buyers broke out. Yes, we can see a short breakout. But here we have to wait for a shift in structure or a candlestick pattern that is giving us more confirmation. Because right now you can see we have been having some rejection, price rejection there, seen by those two green wicks. That is a sign that yes, buyers had broke out, but sellers have rejected that zone and we are selling. And like I already tell you guys, with market structure, you have to get a candle closure, not just a wick. And you can see that with the price rejection, we didn't get a candle closure, we just got wicks. So that is a sign that yes, we had got a breakout to the upside, but buyers were not strong enough to make a move. Let me hope you get that. Let me hope you get that, Rhoda. With really understanding market structure, whenever you see a previous high or low is taken out, it is best to see it with a candle closure, a candle closing below that break of structure. If you do not get it, chances are high of market giving you a false signal. You can. So let's move with the seller. Structure is so bearish and we are only taking on sell trades unless we get a reason to take a pullback trade. Like I always tell you, trading with a trend is the easiest way you can really trade. But it's not like it is the only way you can trade. But if you're really a beginner, it is always best to trade with a trend. Everybody hands go up and they stay there. All right. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you wanna know. Because why don't? Because why not? We are here to make moves. Nature's good to have you. Structure is still bearish, so let us see. Let us see. Everybody hands go up. Well, see, you're free to ask what you want me to explain because we are still in a downtrend based on structure. The structure is still bearish, and you can tell that by the way that the market has been breaking previous lows. That's how you confirm that the market is bearish. It's moving in series of lower highs and lower lows, and we are really having a pullback here. So let us take some pullback trades and see how they go. We're already having red candles our way. Let us see. Damn. Get taken out there. Let's do it again. The incat I'm using, guys, it's Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. Yeah, I'm using it with its default setting. All right, Ahmed, you've been lost. That's true. So, how are you? How have you been? Long time no see. Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, Ahmed says I'm his crush. Saitara, it's good to have you, my friend. Everybody hands go up. And they stay there. And this win. We close some good trades there. Like I always say, you guys, if you get an opportunity, you can capitalize on it because why not? Why not? Because why not?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian.
Girl,
Girl,
me
me
too.
Hey, girls want girls, where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls, where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well,
Girls want girls where I'm from.
Hey, can I play baby? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take
I don't know.
something they just gave away.
I might come, I may go. I don't know.
I've been on this shit, I don't need five for the payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from.
You guys are crazy. Emma, good to have you. Good to have you guys. Oh my god, oh my god, guys, let us lock in. Someone comment locked in, and this is a trading assembly. If you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Oh my god, I don't know.
Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls.
Guys, for all those that want to take part in the donation and be part of the participants tonight, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. Yes, he said that. Ah, when do you know the good pairs? Guys, I think as a trader you have to trade pairs that you're really comfortable with. Actually, me, when I was starting out to trade, especially on a real account, I started trading with pairs that my friends were actually trading. But a good pair is a pair that you check and it is really moving. But it can also be based on your account size, on what you want to trade you as a person, what you're really comfortable with. Yes, you may see me trading this, but if you're not comfortable with it, it's okay. The charts, there are very many currency pairs and very many assets that you can trade, and you should go with what you're comfortable with. You shouldn't be straining over just a pair. I know I get taken out there. So let's see if we can get more entries. Cameroon, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. You're working, it's okay. You're never late as long as you're here and you lock in and you mark your attendance on time, because why not? We are having some movement here from buyers, guys. So it's always good to have you. You prefer trading commodities. That's it. If you find trading commodities works for you, I mean, you go with that. You do not have to trade pairs because you saw someone trading it, unless really someone gives you a reason to. But even if they do give you a reason, if you're not comfortable, please always trade what actually in trading you have to make sure that everything that you're trying to do in trading, you do not complicate your trading, because if you complicate it, it's going to cease to be something amazing that you want to do, and it's going to be like chores. You guys know how chores sometimes they are really frustrating. So either make your trading so simple, not complicated.
And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it.
You go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we gotta slide. All right. I see you, Ahmed. Good to have you, Ahmed from Bangladesh. I see ya.
Won't stop, never stop. Not so many ops, I've been mistaken ops for other ops. Not so many people that I love. Other than the family, I gotta see the
you mean.
That's just how I think it's either you and me.
This line goes too deep for you, baby.
2 or 3 of us about to creep where they stay.
Rock level, now I'm not sicker. Buckles on my jacket, isolation.
Nike crossbody got a piece and got a dance, but it's really
actually, guys, today someone asked me on Telegram. They asked me my trading journey, but I know most of you know it. But for all those that are just joined, my journey is simple. I started trading in 2022. The reason why I started trading, it's because I saw some guys on TikTok flexing some dollars. And when they were asked what they do for a living, they said they are traders. Even before finishing the video, I immediately went on Google and I typed in trading. That's when I discovered actually trading exists in this life. Yeah. So I'm the first in my bloodline to trade. I'm the first in my bloodline to trade, but I know my kids will be traders. Because really it gets interesting that you don't want your family to miss it out. It's always good to have you. It's always good to have you guys. So that is my journey from 2022 till now. I've never really stopped trading. And now the reason why I really didn't give up even after making serious losses, trading is so risky, guys. And sometimes the losses are crazy. So the reason why I didn't give up, I saw I had really invested a lot of time into trading. And I had also invested a lot of money. Basically, I couldn't just give up. Every time I think about my time and the money, I just be like, it can't be me. So that is really my trading experience. I started trading with Forex, but I switched to binary because I find it easier for me that way. So that is my trading experience. For all those that were really asking, remind I'm the first in my bloodline to trade. So guys, tell me, how many people do you have in your bloodline that are traders? Actually, I think I'm the only in my bloodline who trades. Man living like an animal. Life comes with another one. I'll be different kind is another one. I'm not trying to be the number one. So many legends there, I'm just trying to be another one. No, by the way, guys, it really took me some time to really tell my family that I'm actually a trader, because trading is crazy talk until it really starts making sense to you. Yeah, so guys, tell me, how many traders do you have in your families? How many fellow traders do you have in your families? Me, in my bloodline, I'm the only trader. And for some reason, especially the years when I was really still making losses, even when someone would tell me they would want to learn trading, I wouldn't encourage them to learn because it would be so painful. I was in my painful season where you execute trades and most of them they go against you. Yeah, but now I can really confirm and I can really now encourage someone to do trading because at least now I have seen results. I mean, I see results every now and then. But back then, when I was still taking those serious losses, I wouldn't encourage anyone. Message on my phone. All right. It's always good when you really have someone. So I'm seeing someone trade with a brother. All right, all right, all right. So I can see we are very many. We are very many here. That we are the only traders in our bloodlines. But I know our kids are going to really learn trading. They will be motivated by us. But anyway, you never know. You never know. Even kids don't tend to love what their parents do. But me, I'm the only one in my bloodline. So for all those that were asking, for someone who was asking about my journey, let me hope you have got it. Let me hope you have got it. Did your parents complain about it? Guys, by the time I started trading, I was already staying by myself. Yeah, I was staying by myself. And for me to start trading, I was unemployed and I was really looking for something to do. But I knew it. I wanted to really get a high income skill. You know that when you're watching those finance guys and they're telling it is 2022 and they're telling you that if you don't have any high income skill, you're wasting time. So that's when I discovered trading. And from then, I've never really felt like I want to do something else apart from trading. So mainly that is my journey and my experience as a trader. So no one would discourage me because I was by myself and bills had to be paid. Someone has called us family. Someone has called us family pioneers, guys. So everyone who is the first in their bloodline to trade, we are pioneers. Cause why not? Cause why not? And then go with an attitude. We never told no one, but we look so cute. My sister taught me trading. Wow, that is good. That's good. That's good. But I believe in those years, actually, trading had just become crazy after COVID. So we're still doubting, we're still there. It was a lot, but I know right now it's actually different ground. It's actually different ground. And actually, when I was starting out to trade, since most of the traders are really, this industry is male dominated. And actually, sometimes I would approach a guy and I would want to learn. They would just look at me and they'd be like, don't waste our time, this is a main industry. But I'm glad I locked in. And actually most of my fellow traders friends, they're all guys, because trading is more of a male industry. But here we are, even ladies are here. So guys, we are back to the chats. That I'm done sharing my journey, so you're free to ask any trading question. For trying. Someone is saying I was brave. I was brave, but I was also broke. I was brave, but I was also broke. I really needed to get the bills paid. I really needed to save myself. In those years, it was actually to save myself and survive. That's why I really got into trading. Yes, I was brave, but I also was broke. I needed to do something for my life.
We get a witness. You gotta see
Mm-mm.
this. Yeah. Hey, I remember serve several trips and cover numbers.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
But listen, none of them with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. I'm for example, my account.
All right, all right, all right. So, guys, let us lock in. We are back to the charts. You guys are crazy. Someone is asking me about the bullish headband. Today I didn't carry it on the stream. Just went viral. Mm-mm-mm-mm. No, be humble. Sit down.
Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble.
Sit down.
Be humble. Sit down. Be humble.
Okay, what do we have here? Actually, guys, for me to really get profitable, what really hurt me, if I'm to share that turning point, there's a time I met some trader, and he told me that yeah, he had just joined. I think he had just joined like much earlier, later than me, and he was already profitable. And me, who had joined in 2022, I was not profitable. Then that's when I realized I have to lock in, put this split there, and I also start seeing results, because I really felt offended. At that time, I was still calling myself a beginner trader, yet people who had joined after me and they were already seeing results. That's when I locked in. And actually, with trading, it's not about how much knowledge you have, it is how much discipline you can really show on the charts. That is the difference. You could have the best strategy, but if you have no discipline and patience and no consistency, the results may take longer than you think. So for me, it was discipline and consistency actually that changed my story for me in trading, because I saw myself, I was still playing, and new people were joining trading and they were already showcasing results. That's why it is always best to have a few traders around you, or to be in few trading communities, because there you're really going to meet traders that are going to force you or to push you to be a better trader. Because that's why I'm always asking you guys, after how long does someone stop calling themselves profitable? Yeah, because I think I was already in 2 years, I could say, and I was still in my head, I was still thinking I'm a beginner. But after being with someone who had joined later, a few months, and they were already profitable and showing results, I felt offended, and I was motivated to also lock in, because I think I knew more than they did. But I was just not trusting myself enough to practice it on, or to show it on charts. You guys are crazy. Someone is saying me nearly, because it humbled me. Guys, let us move. Yeah, if you really know, if you're really not consistent, guys, and you're not really focused to practice discipline, and by discipline I mean following your trading plan and following your risk management, there is no reason why you, when you have a small account or low capital, and you want to risk it all on one trade. It is not really wise. It's not really wise. If you have You're supposed to risk according to your account size. Don't over risk your account. So the more you start learning that and try to put it into practice, yes, I could have that, but let me go with this. That is discipline, and with time it keeps growing, because the more capital grows, the more you can risk. And without capital, you can't make any change. You won't let go. Debbie, good to have you. I'm huge at losses, so I really want to be a trader. The best way you can really cut on losses, guys, it is managing your risk so well. You actually, guys, trading is personal. It's a personal process and a personal journey. So you don't have to prove to anyone. Just have your real account, trade it according to your plan, and you do realize, actually, guys, if you really practice discipline for just even 2 months, you're going to feel a difference as a trader, and you really be proud of yourself. It is not, yes, a strategy is required, but without discipline, you find yourself blowing your account, because losses are always part of the game. But if they are really minimized, you grow. Guys, I won't let go. All right. All right. All right. Let's keep moving.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money. Love in 1,000 different flavors.
Guys, you're trying to here we are trying to catch on a continuation. You can see the market has been selling there. So let us see. Yeah. All right, we lock in all these profits. Swalla la la. That's true, guys. Yes, you could have a strategy. That's why they always say there is no strategy that is 100% right. Because however much you're following your strategy, every moment in the market is unique, and no one has 100% certainty in the market. So let's keep moving. All right, someone is asking what made you come up with a YouTube channel to save us, of course. Guys, me basically, because I really took time to learn from different YouTube channels and also watch different guys. And I knew it that if I get profitable, I would also want to share my experience with fellow traders, because that's what exactly I wanted to do. Like I always said, like I told you, part of my goals whenever I'm setting my New Year resolution, shocking myself, is also a goal to me. So, yeah. Ah. And someone says her invisible mentor. What do you mean? Guys, I don't know if you really actually, guys, when it comes to mentors, you do not need a special human being out there to mentor you, because actually my mentor was my friend. It's not like some special human being out there that was my mentor. He was my mentor because he was in trading earlier than I was, and he knew more than I, and I really appreciate him because I learned a lot from him. But it's not like I got some special mentor out there with some special trading. It was just my friend, but he really mentored me so well, especially when it comes to discipline. Actually, up to now, whenever I'm trading, I remember his tips. He really mentored me from handling my trading devices very well, not to just be playing around with them, to really getting into the market and the discipline. All right, guys, we are ready for the donations. Who is ready? Someone comment ready. It's okay. It's okay. We all move. So let's keep going. But so far away, everything. Take one step at a time. There's no need to run. Anywhere. Come on. Okay, good to go. We live on with God. Take one step at a time. There's no need to run. Ready or not, here comes. Ready or not, here I come. Okay, let's move. Let's move. Guys, this is a trading assembly, and my strategy is simple: pure price action. Yeah, we are about to get into the donations. I know that is your most most interesting part. What are you doing in the times of that song? Hey guys, now you want me to tell you, and you start counting my age. But let me see. Oh god, all I know, it really came out when I'm young. Yeah, it really came out when I was young. Though I am not particular of what age I was, I need to first know that time it came out, the song came out, then I tell what I was really doing. But I know I was young. It's gonna happen. I was young to remember what exactly I was doing by the time this song came out. Okay, guys, we are moving in an upward trend. So let us see if we can really get into either more sales or more a Guys, like I tell you, whenever you're looking out for a pullback trade, the best confirmation you can always get, for example, now we have been in an uptrend. It is seeing two big candles that are really following. If you see the candles are really tiny, sometimes it is best to first wait to take a pullback trade, because it is a sign that momentum is not yet there in the market for traders that have to take the trade against the trend. Yeah, like guys, these tips I be sharing are like the best tips you can use whenever you're looking out for entries. Mainly those are really more, they are more of like confirmations, something that you would really look at and now this is a serious confirmation. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, it came out in 2000. Be real. Okay, let's see. Everything. Never let you go. Never be alone. Guys, whenever I'm using the indicator, I'm using it with its default settings. I'm using it with the default settings. So let us move. Let us move. Is it good? Never be alone. Anything you want. Yeah. Okay, we get a break to the upside, and whenever you get a break of structure, what do you anticipate? A pullback. But the pullback does not happen immediately, guys. Whenever you're trading, you have to put that in mind. It's not like every time the market breaks structure, it immediately goes into a pullback. Sometimes it takes long, but here we are. Let's move. Best Fitness, good to see you. Good to see you. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you're doing how to move out here. You know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirty. Never call me lucky. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Yeah, so let's keep moving. All right, we get a plus again. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your trading day? Did you execute any trades today, or are you executing? We are about to get into the donations, guys. Or anything. And you better look. All right. Oh my. Our last trade gets taken out, guys. Let us secure some profits, then we get into the donations. Guys, this is a reminder, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. And if you want to take part in the donation, there's a link in the description, donation link in the description. You can use that. Anything. Everything. So guys, we are in with our first participant. So let us see how it goes. Yeah, trading requires patience for you to wait for confluences to be in your line. Then you execute. Okay. It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. Guys, I'm using the indicator with its default settings, because I do not only base my entries on the indicator, I also back it up with my strategy, which is price action. And can you pick up your clothes? I let your body decide if it is good enough for you. All right, let us see here. Best Fitness, good to have you. Guys, let us see if we can get the next move. The market is bullish here. Okay. Okay, now we are getting into a pullback. All right. Second attempt has gone well. Yeah, second attempt has gone well. Let us wait for a second, our final attempt, and see how it goes, guys. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Let us see how this goes, guys. This is a continuation trade. You can see the market is done pulling back, and we are having more movement to the upside. Hey, someone type congratulations. Guys, this is my favorite song from Real Baby. But someone type congratulations, someone type congratulations. Why she tell me crazy about me like I do? I can tell me my creation. And that's what I be on. Sometimes I might be wrong. I mean, don't be running from me. Get whatever from me. And the real shit. She makes sure she keep her nails done and the wig fit. I made a new playlist. Just all right, guys. Whenever you're trading, you have to put on. But still flex. I can share with you. Guys, whenever you're trading, you have to put a serene environment that is so that whenever you're trading, you're locked in on the charts and maybe on the music. If you want it calm, you just go silent. It's okay, as long as you don't get distracted, because yeah, your eyes have to be on the chart so that you don't miss any move. But we still flex. I wanna take my home. Oh my, I've moved. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna horses on. Anybody tell me nothing? Guys, there's a link in the description for the broker, and there's also a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join so that you don't miss out on any communications. Beautiful, beautiful. First attempt goes well, so let's keep moving. Tell me nothing. Guys, let us lock in because you're so crazy. Okay, someone type congratulations. It has moved well. Second attempt has gone well. What do you mean, guys? I'm 48-year-old. Fine girl like me. I'm 48 years. Someone type congratulations, and you know how it goes. Everything goes to the participant. Everything goes to the participant. All right, let me see. Zillion, good to see you. Good to see you. Kingpin, good to have you. Good to have you guys. Let us move on to our next. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry, sorry, my friend. Sorry, it's gonna get better. Just remain consistent, Christopher. Everything works out with time. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. On the secret portion. Guys, you can see here structure is bullish. And whenever me I'm trading as a trader, the first analysis I make, it is understanding the market direction. Am I dealing with a bullish market? Am I dealing with a bearish market? Because all my entries are based on structure and candlestick patterns, which are really, if you really have a mindset that you know that I'm in an uptrend, you can easily tell if the market is pulling back or not, and you make your trading decision to take entries based on that. So this is basically a pullback. So let's take on a sacred portion. Okay, bears are in the market. Can see they are coming in big. I got the recipe. Okay, market is shifting structure. I'm just anticipating that. So let us see if how it goes. Let us see if it is shifting bearish or not. Guys, with trading, you have to have a continuous mindset of doing market analysis. So every move that happens, you're in your mind as a trader, you have to be anticipating something. That's how you make more refined entries based on that. Cat lover, where have you been? Good to have you. All right, Manish, good to see you. Okay, we are still bullish in the movie. In a town. There was some crazy move there. Sellers were so hungry to take us out. Success, you love me. Much love from here. Good to have you. You are busy. All right. Good to have you. Good to have you always. Asif Kakar, I see ya. I see ya. Good to have you. Lorenzo. Hey. Good to have you. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'm real. Guys, my candlesticks are 5 seconds and I am trading binary options. There's a link in the description for the broker of the trading platform. My friends and I have cracked the code, guys. To the party. That we are fine with this. We didn't come for money. Stupid in the bathroom, bloodstained background. We don't care. Mm-mm-mm. And we'd never be royal. All right, let us look for a move, guys. And you know how we do it. We patiently wait for a good entry. All right, UK gang, I see ya. Canada, guys, I see you all, guys. It's always nice to have you. Let's move, let's move. And I'm in love with being queen. All right, let me see someone type congratulations. Let me see someone type congratulations. It has worked well for us. Ah. All right. I didn't get your question, Kingsley. So you can ask again. Maybe I didn't see your question. Guys, if you ask something and I don't reply, you're free to ask again. Yeah, sometimes comments move fast and I don't get to see them. And this is a trading assembly. We are always free to share. We are always here to share. What are you laughing at? Guys, it is always you guys making me happy. It's always nice to have you guys because you really make my nights interesting. So someone commented something that I was laughing at. Thank you. Say banana like cookie. All right, guys, let me hope you're locked in so that when I explain an entry, You're so locked in. You can easily catch on. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, we are waiting for our second entry. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I can see you all locked in. I see you can locked in. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Banana like cooking. All right, we are still in an uptrend. Let us see. Okay, someone is asking which candlesticks do you base on to take price? Guys, there are very many candlesticks out, candlestick patterns that you can look at as a trader. But of course, you cannot trade with every candlestick pattern. It's going to get tiresome and frustrating. So you can pick a few that you can really use in your trading. Me, basically, I use the engulfing pattern, that is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. I use pin bars. Yeah, they are really good in showing reversal entries and reversal movements. Or they can also, if they are seen in a good zone, they can also be used as continuation to show market strength of a particular. To show continuation, either if you are in a downtrend and you get a bearish pin bar, it can signal you that buyers are still in the market and they still want to show market control. That's why they have rejected that price of buyers and they are still getting into the continuation of bearish markets. Yeah, guys, let us first type congratulations because our two attempts have moved well. Mm-mm-mm. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. Zillion, good to have you. Thompson, good to see ya. It's always nice to have you guys here. It's always nice, and I'm glad we are always locked in. And I'm glad we are always locked in for life because why not? This is a trading assembly. We are so locked in. Mm-mm. All right, guys. So the other kind of stick pattern I always look out for are inside bars. Yeah. So basically, I use that. But guys, remember, whenever you're trading, try to make everything so simple and not complicated. There's no reason why you should have over 10 confluences. You should pick a few things and you just be consistent with them whenever you're trading. There is no reason why you should keep on changing your charts and all that. First, master something and try to follow it. Master reproduces. Repetition produces mastery. Actually, I had said it the other way around, but repetition produces mastery. So you have to pick a few things and be consistent with them. That's how you can really actually get to understand. Guys, actually, you can also use the candlestick of Marubuzo candles. They are candles that can show a lot of strength. So if you see it in the market, it's a sign of strength. Yeah. So those are the chart candlestick patterns that I use whenever I'm trading with my pure price action. So let's move on to our next. Cute pumpkin, good to have you. Engine away, engine away. Me against enemies, me against them. Higher, higher. We came to win, to survive, to rise, to fly. Okay, let us move. So guys, let me hope by now you know market structure and you know the key points to always consider whenever you're looking at the market and you're trying to understand its structure. With market structure, the key factor to understand is whenever you get a break of structure, either to the upside or to the downside, for it to be valid, you need to see a candle closure above that break. That is strength. That is always strength. Yeah. So those are the top things you should always look out for whenever you're trading. Don't just understand that market structure means higher highs and higher lows. Yes, it means higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. But for market structure to be valid, it is always to see a candle closing after a break of structure. That's when you see that it is valid. If it's just a week, you can wait for more confirmation. So if you follow those things, guys, that's how you protect your capital. And those things, to see them, you have to really be in the market consistently for it to start making sense. That's why I'm always asking you, did you look at your charts today? Yeah, you have to look at your charts. You can't call yourself a trader and you have not looked at your chart in a day. You're not a trader, you're just an aspiring trader. A serious trader looks at their charts every day. All right, let's move. And I got my jealous on. He just came out of prison. My name is Nikki M. This is Kim. Feel, baby, feel lonely. Pull up, baby, feel lonely. Guys, we are just looking for one attempt left. Tune up, when up. Let us see how this goes. All right, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Ayinde, good to have you. Push value, good to have you. Okay, you know how everything goes. Everything goes to the participant. Natures, I see ya. Natures, I see ya. I see you all, guys. Francis, I see ya. Court, I see you. I see you all, guys. Let us move on to our next. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ivy, are you rich? Of course. I'm a big baller. Because what do you mean? I have all of you guys by my side and I don't call myself rich. This pussy pricey. If you love me. I tune up when I'm drinking. All right, guys, my candlesticks are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. There's a link in the description for the platform I am using. And this is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know.
And I believe in fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got cheese in the dough.
Oh my, it's going against us, guys. Damn. Oh my god. We get taken out, you get taken out. You know what happens? If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us refund and try again and see how it goes. Let us lock in and get another. You guys are always interesting. You're so interesting. Much love from here. Much love from here for all of you guys. Let us see if we can get a move here. Guys, the best time for a trader, it is when you're really in the market and market structure is so valid and it's so easy to really trade. Sometimes it's crazy. Oh my god. All right, sellers have really invalidated that, so let us try again. Show your children We start from understanding what makes you think I have children. Oh my god, again, our trade is. This is some crazy movement there, guys. So let us see if we can get another entry. This later will be nothing. Now they always so congratulations. All right. We are getting movement here in our direction. All right. Someone type congratulations. Oh. If you fall waiting, put your hands in the sky. How can I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Someone type congratulations. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Sensational change ever since you was and I dream it all. They say that will be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Devi, I see ya. Okay, let's move on to our next. Demazaya, good to have you. Like we made it. Graduation. Yaniga, graduation. Big green champagne. Super Bowl. Top floor lifestyle. Fashion post. Malone. All right, guys, let us move on to our next participant. See you on TV, sunset she don't change ever since she was. Guys, I have a beautiful memory about this song. Yeah, on my grad, they were splashing money on me when this song was playing. I was so young, but I have that beautiful memory. I was saying, these rappers really be speaking for me. Same. They also be speaking out my mind most of the times. Guys, if you're a beginner, actually the things Cutie Pumpkin, tell me, are you a beginner? Like you know something about trading, or you're just seeing it is your first time to see traders on stream and you're like, it is your first time to discover trading? Because it's different. You could be a beginner, but when you're ready somewhere. John Luck, good to have you. Okay, let us first look in who taught you. Guys, like I already said, me when it comes to trading, I learned from watching videos on YouTube. I learned from friends. I learned from my mentor. I learned from seminars. I learned from everywhere. I have no specifications. That's why when it was time to lock in, it was up to me to really lock in because I had learned from almost everywhere. And actually, it reaches a point when you're not learning, when you're just scared of trading, when actually you already have everything you need, but you're just scared of trading and you still pretending to be learning to prolong your time to be on a real account. Hey, guys, my mentor is not a social media person, to be honest. My mentor has no socials. So even if I tell you, you don't find him anywhere, to be honest. But I also learned from my mentor. But it's not like you to learn trading it, you have to learn specifically from a mentor. There are very many sources. I'm always here sharing my experience and tips. You're also learning. You're scared. I love the way you shine just to make up.
Well, make it up to me, baby. Well, make it up to me, baby. Well, make it up to me. Make it up to me.
Yeah, let us lock in. Let us lock in to get another entry. Again. Okay, someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. This has also worked well for us. How does your strategy work? Can you please explain? All right, it's always good. It's always nice to have you. All right, anyone who wants to know my strategy, I want to see. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Guys, tomorrow, yeah, we are about to chest turn tomorrow, come early, 8 p.m. UK time. I'll be explaining my strategy more in details. Yeah. And for all those that want to know my strategy in details, come early tomorrow, 8 p.m. UK time. That's when the stream starts. We are going to lock in and first share the strategy in details. Following market trends actually helps a lot. It cuts off the frustration. That's the truth. So actually, I believe if you're a trader and you're patient enough to follow that trend, I believe on the trade you take, a few will close in losses. Of course, losses will always be there, but there will be few, will be minimal. Never underestimate the power, the strength of a trend. Now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Makes you feel like I can't live without you. Okay, let's move. Oh my God, guys. Sellers have taken us out. So let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. Nobody touching around. Whatever you want to give me, something that I never had. And guys, for all those that are waiting for my strategy, yeah, you can also watch videos on this channel, and I'm dropping more. So if you have not yet subscribed, I don't know, I may drop a video and you miss it out. So you better log in on my channel. Na, 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 na. Uh-huh. I will never, no, never neglect you. I just thought that it gets to you. What can I say? Baby. Dennis, good to have you. Good to have you. Cute pumpkin. I'm trading binary options, and binary options honestly is not really affected by fundamentals. Yeah. If you waiting, I'll still choose you. You know you need to get done if you come over. Someone type congratulations. The night has moved smoothly for us. Someone type congratulations. How many more shots in your run? We just need a face to face. You could pick a time and a place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. You see me do me da 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 da. But I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. Alone without no warning. You're Last night we were way up, kissing in the back of the cab, and then you say, "Love, baby, let's go back to the flat." And then we wake up. All right, let's move on to our next. Let us move on to our next. I wanna sing love songs. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Your song got me feeling like that. Yeah, you know, your songs got me feeling like that. No fear, but I think I'm falling. I'm not wrong. But I'm usually the type of girl that hit and run. No risk, so I think I'm all in. When I kiss your lips, feel my heart beat down. And now we're way up, dancing on. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. We are on our final participant for tonight. Someone comment locked in. Songs your song got me feeling like I'm. I find out how to be this place tonight. I don't wanna sing my songs anymore. I wanna sing your song. 'Cause your songs got me feeling like you. I don't wanna hear sad songs anymore. I wanna hear love songs. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Don't wanna sing my songs anymore. All I wanna sing your song. 'Cause your songs got me feeling like you. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. All right, someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Yeah, got me feeling like that. It has worked well for us. Someone type congratulations. All right, Natures, I see you. Andrea, I see you. And you know how everything goes. Everything goes to the participant. Guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can use that. And if you're wondering the trading platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. If you want to be part of the donations tomorrow, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. And tomorrow, same time, we are going to be here 8 p.m. UK time. So make sure to mark your attendance on time. If you want to know my strategy in details, yeah, come early and you lock in for life. Sorry, it's nice to have you guys. Trevor, Cute Pumpkin, Davey, Natures. Sorry, it's nice to have you guys. Much love from here. Good night. Bye.